The indoor space heater from ALROCKET. This personal electric ceramic heater has overheat protection, tip-over protection, 3 heat settings, and quick heat up for home office. The controls are easy to use and require a simple touch of a finger to employ. One touch on the swing button to deliver wide-angle heat with auto-oscillation helps heat up the room faster while keeping silent. This space heater is of a sleek design and considerate 3 temp settings: natural wind, low heat, high heat to fulfill your needs all year round, only in one switch. Visit the link in the description to check out this product. Thanks for watching.